Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling something super practical. How to send an ACH payment from your Capital One account in 2025. If you're new here, ACH payments are electronic transfers that move money directly between bank accounts in the US. Think of them as a secure, cost-effective way to pay bills, send money to family, or handle business transactions. With updates in banking tech by 2025, Capital One has made this process even smoother. But don't worry, I'll walk you through it step by step. First off, ensure you have the latest Capital One app or are logged into their website. Start by opening the app and entering your username and password. For added security, you might need to use biometric verification like a fingerprint or facial recognition. It's all about keeping your funds safe. Once you're in, head to the main dashboard and look for the Payments or Transfers tab. In 2025, Capital One's interface is more intuitive, so tap on that and select ACH Payment or External Transfer. Now, you'll need the recipient's details. Enter their bank's routing number, account number, and the amount you want to send. Don't forget to add a memo for reference, like rent payment or gift. Before you hit send, double-check everything to avoid any mistakes. Review the recipient's info, the amount, and any potential fees. Capital One might charge a small fee for ACH transfers, so keep an eye on that. Once you're good, authorize the payment. You'll likely get a confirmation code via text or email for verification. After that, your payment is on its way. ACH transfers typically take 1 to 3 business days to process, so plan accordingly. And remember, always monitor your account for confirmations. There you have it. Sending an ACH payment from Capital One is straightforward and hassle-free. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.